Right now, an astonishing 78% of American adults are living their everyday lives strictly paycheck to paycheck. This demographic isn't struggling because they're unemployed. These are people with full-time salaries, gym memberships, and Netflix subscriptions. Yet they remain one car repair or medical bill away from financial instability. The data shows that 56% of Americans cannot cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing money or selling something they own. When the majority of people working professional jobs cannot save a single month of expenses, the math suggests that the modern middle-class lifestyle no longer results in a surplus. Meet Average Mike. He earns $58,000 a year, taking home $3,200 monthly. Fixed costs hit first, $1,400 for rent and $700 for his car. After remaining bills, Mike is left with exactly $101 for everything else. Even while following the standard career path, the current cost of fixed expenses leaves the average earner with no room for error. This occurs partly because of lifestyle inflation. When Mike gets a raise, his expenses usually expand to match the new income within a few months. Economists call this the hedonic treadmill, where the finish line for financial security moves every time you earn more. Then there are the subscriptions. The average American now pays for nearly 5 streaming services simultaneously, totaling over $219 every month. These services are designed to be invisible. A $10 charge feels negligible, but when 11 of them hit a bank account at once, they can consume a person's entire monthly contribution to their emergency fund. Corporations prioritize recurring revenue because it automates the transfer of wealth from the consumer's bank account to theirs, often without the user even noticing the drain. The largest drain is often the car. The average new car payment has climbed to $737 a month, money flowing toward an asset that loses a huge portion of its value the moment it's driven home. This happens because we aren't taught to defend our income. 28 states do not require a personal finance course to graduate high school, meaning students enter the workforce without a clear understanding of how interest or debt actually works. Procrastination is the result. A 25-year-old who waits just 10 years to start investing loses over $270,000 in potential gains by the time they reach retirement. We are broke because we live inside a system that generates massive profit from financial confusion. When the education system fails to teach the rules of money, people default to the expensive habits the system encourages. While the system is designed to benefit from your confusion, you can dismantle these traps by replacing automated spending with automated saving. Step 1 is the subscription audit. This week, open your bank app and manually identify every recurring charge. If you haven't used the service in 30 days, cancel it immediately. This single audit typically identifies $80 to $150 in monthly waste, money that can be recovered without any major changes to your daily life. Reclaiming that invisible spending is the most effective way to begin building a safety net without needing a change in your annual salary. Step 2 is to pay yourself first automatically. Set up an automatic transfer so savings move to a separate account before you can spend it. Step 3 is mastering the vocabulary. You only need to understand 6 core concepts to stay ahead. The most expensive thing most Americans will ever do is wait until they are ready to start managing their own money. Awareness of the system is the beginning, but only immediate, automated action will break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck.